Kacchi Kairi Ka Do Pyaza. Heat pressure cooker and add 8 to 10 sliced onion. Add 1 tsp of ginger garlic paste and half tsp of turmeric powder. Add 1 tsp of red chili powder and salt to taste. Add half cup of oil. Take half raw mango or curry pieces and add in it. Mix them all very nicely. Add half kg mutton. Mix mutton nicely. Add 1 cup of water and mix well. Close lid and cook on high flame up to 5 to 6 whistles. After 5 to 6 whistles, remove air and open lid. Turn on flame and cook. Mix and cook till water evaporates. Mix well to get smooth consistency. Add 2 slitted green chilies. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix. Mutton is tender and soft. Cover it and cook on low flame for 3 to 5 minutes till oil separates. Nice flavored off raw mango do pyaza is done. Turn off flame. Very aromatic and flavorful Kacchi Kairi Ka Do Pyaza is ready to serve. Do try this summer special recipe and enjoy with rice. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.